What is up, guys? Good morning. So we have a super exciting video. So we are taking the E30 M3 to LS Fest, and I can't wait to show it to you guys. It just looks absolutely incredible. All the work that's gone into this car. I mean, this car 9 days ago, it looked like this. And as you can see, that is just crazy that it looked like that, and now it just looks incredible. So we're gonna go get this thing loaded up and we're gonna hit the road, and I'm super excited to see what people are gonna think of it. Maybe we'll see some purists, and maybe we'll just see a lot of love for the LS. So without further ado, let's get right into this episode. All right, guys, so we are on the road, and the first stop we're gonna do is we're gonna stop by Pop's shop, and we're gonna show him the car. My dad's never seen this car painted. He's never seen it with the LS in it or anything, so I really want to get his reaction. So that's the first thing we're going to do, and then from there we'll head over to Ben's shop, get some center caps, and that's all we're missing. We went ahead and got some cleaning supplies, that way we can rubber down real nice once we get to the car show. So stay tuned, guys. We'll go get those center caps, and then we're going to hit the road and get to LS Fest. Huh? What do you think?
Oh, nice.
We had to make a quick pit stop, show Pops and Yuri. What do you think, Dad? You like it? This is Dad's first time seeing it like this.
Living in my shop. Living in my shop.
Leave it here. No, we got to go to Kentucky.
Dang, it's clean. It's nice. I like it.
Yeah, dude.
How much does it cost, this car?
50,000.
Get that Mary.
Huh?
Hey, look good.
No, я заложил 50.
Ah.
Yeah, this thing.
Really good.
Nice. Диви на салон, па.
Man. А що за сидіння таке?
Спортивні, а?
So it just needs a tune, that's it?
Yeah, because it's running too rich, fouling the plug. And so I need the tune to bleed the brakes, because it's hydro boost. You know, it's on the power steering. So I'm hoping maybe there will be someone at LS Fest. You know, they just like real quick throw a tune on it.
Yeah.
But we're going to do the final wipe down when we get there, you know, make it all nice. But yeah, dude, this thing's a lot of labor and love to get it here.
I don't know how you do it, man. I ain't got the love for this like that.
Oh, this is something I wanted since a child.
Hey, they got your other one going though.
I know, dude. The old M3.
What did he put in it? He put an LS as well, yeah?
No, EcoBoost from a Mustang.
Oh, dang. Are y'all gonna race him? Y'all gonna
Yeah.
line him up?
I'd love to go see it.
Dang, that's wild.
Yeah, we
Got a
gotta go.
red truck pulling it.
Where's David at? Dude, you wanna know something crazy? We went to Lola Beans. There was another trailer, red truck with a trailer carrying a Corvette, also going to LS Fest.
Dang.
4 hours away.
Everybody's going.
Yeah.
See, I was gonna take my BMW to LS Fest, but I ain't got a V8 in there no more.
Dang. But just want to show them real quick, and we're gonna head out.
You just see people's reactions out the window.
Guys, we just made it. We're about to go get checked in and registered, and we'll get the car set up and let you guys know what it looks like. I'm super excited. It's an awesome opportunity, so big shout out to Jegs for getting us a spot in their booth and allowing us to showcase our work. So let's go ahead and get it over there and get it settled in. Guys, so we finally made it out here to the Jegs booth, and we got the M3 out here. As you can see, it is looking beautiful. If you remember, this car 9 days ago was a complete shell. It was completely torn apart, and it looks awesome. We got everything together, we got it all cleaned up, and we got it looking super good. So as you can see, there are two other cars there, which I will be showing here in a little bit, that are also part of the Jegs booth, and they look incredible. And I'm definitely excited to walk around and see all of the other cool cars that are here. So stay tuned. We got a lot of content planned for today.
Put this in the back if we were like planning on adding it, but when we did this before. So we kind of panicked. Yeah, just like an arrow, whatever. But you can mount it anywhere. Add fluid or check fluid. Yeah, but I.
All right, guys, so we found the only other E30 at the car show. This is David.
What's going on, man?
This thing is sick, dude. I've always thought about maybe doing twin turbos on mine, but I don't know if I'd want to chop up an M3 like that, but this thing is cool, and I bet it's rowdy, isn't it?
Oh, fuck yeah. This thing is rowdy as shit.
It's got the exhaust coming out of the fenders, and are you going to be drifting it?
I don't got a roll cage.
Oh, they don't let you if you don't?
So for drift, you use a roll cage, and then, if I'm not mistaken, for drag, I didn't do it personally first because it said something about mufflers. And I can't fucking run mufflers. That was before I started working with the shop.
Yeah.
When it's a little bit different whenever you're actually with the people responsible.
Oh, okay. Man, I would love to see this thing do some drifting.
If it's wet, dude, this is fucking stupid. Like, I was
bad.
on a station shake, and it was a pretty tight turn, but it wasn't that bad. I was getting like maybe 5% throttle the whole thing. Oh, all right, and my buddy next to me is like, "Don't kill me." I'm like, you can't die at 5 miles an hour. Come on.
Yeah. My name is Mark. I'm from Motorhead, and this is my 1987 E30 M3. And yes, this is a real one. And yes, we shoved a LS1 in it. And today we're going undercover to see what people think. What would you rate this car 1 to 10?
9.5.
Why?
It's red.
5.
Why?
Because it's a Beamer.
I'll say it's nice.
I would say a 10 out of 10. He's one of my favorite cars at the moment right now. I like it a lot.
And you don't care that we shoved the American motor in there?
A little bit. I mean, it looks good. And I bet he's fast, so it doesn't matter.
It doesn't run yet, but it will.
12.
Why?
Many reasons. First of all, the fact that it's an E30 M3, one of my favorite cars of all time, but you've got the LS power plant with it, which is pretty mean, we'll say.
10.
A 10. Why?
I don't know. It's got an LS in it.
I'll give it a 6. No, we'll go 7.5, 8. I'm not a BMW guy,
Why?
but it's clean. It is clean, beautiful build. I mean, You shut the hood, you'd have no idea.
Car?
Ooh, gotta be a 10.
Why?
It's just, I don't know, a Beamer with an LS, like, you don't see too many every day. Like a 1.
Why?
I'm not a fan of BMWs.
This car,
Yes, sir.
definitely a 10.
Why is that?
All the modifications have been done. All the jegs equipment that's in it, it's pretty awesome.
So you don't care that they ruined a rare classic?
Not at all. It's a better classic.
Excuse me, sir. I got a question. We're going around and we're interviewing people about controversial swaps. What do you think of this car?
Definitely a controversial swap right here, man. Why would you do this to such a classic? Like an S14?
You don't
I get
think-
I get it's LS Fest. Okay, hear me out. I get it's LS Fest, but look at this thing. This is beautiful. You're gonna disgrace it with this?
So you don't think this engine made it better?
Absolutely not. I mean, look at this car, man. Look at the seats in this. This is an M3. Look at this.
I
This is
agree.
A masterpiece.
It's ruined.
Why would you do this? Why would
I don't know.
Why would anybody do this?
I don't know.
It's a damn shame these days. All these kids and these LS swaps. It's a shame. I just love to see a classic.
I agree with you, man. I
All
agree.
these guys around here revving their cars. I mean, who would want to destroy such a pristine, beautiful car like this?
Finally, we found someone who agrees with us.
Absolutely. I mean, take a look at this. You got the Brembos on here, M3 package, and the jegs booth. I mean, I was coming over here to inspect the classic and really give my flowers to where it's deserved. And unfortunately, it's a disgrace. It's a disgrace, man. Where's the owner of the car?
I don't know. I think after that, I don't think he's going to want to meet you.
I know. I'll compliment him on the fact that he wasted his time doing an LS swap.
Well, if we find him, we'll let you know.
Please don't, man.
You know, you can't give 10s to just anything, so I'm going to go like 8.7.
What would you rate this car, 1 to 10?
9.5, to be honest with you. I like the fact that I see a nice, fast intake. I see a jag sticker. I don't know if that's even fast or jag. But yeah, overall, paint job is beautiful. Nice brakes. A little bit of me wish you would have kept it original. It's too nice of a car to have this LS mode in. But other than that, I'm at, what I told you, I don't even know the number. 9.5, 9.8, whatever I told you. I love it. Go ahead, check this thing out on YouTube.
All right, guys, we are here last day of LS Fest, and my BMW actually won first place non-domestic, so that's super cool. I'm super happy. We got this really cool trophy from it, and this is gonna go in my office. I think it's awesome that all this work was just shown so much love and appreciation. So many people came by and they checked this thing out and they absolutely loved it. We had a couple of purists who weren't too happy about the power plant we went with, but for the most part, people either loved it because it was an LS, or they loved it because it was a BMW with an LS, or they just hated it because it was a BMW. So honestly, I don't care. I built it for myself, and all this work that went into it, I'm just really happy to see that it got some appreciation. So as you can see, this thing turned out beautiful. The paint looks amazing. The paint actually got a lot of compliments. That was one of the biggest things. And then another thing, a lot of people were saying that the engine just looked like it was meant to be in there, and that's kind of what I was going for when I built this car. I wanted you to look into this engine bay and to be able to just think that that could have came from factory in this car, and I think we did a really good job of doing that. And big shout out to Jegs for bringing my car out here to their booth at LS Fest East. This was actually my first LS Fest and the first show for this car, and I'm just super happy with how everything turned out and that we actually won a first place award. So that was super cool. Shout out to Holly, shout out to Jegs, and shout out to everyone else who made this happen. Sicky also contributed to this build, and we got their entire swap kit and their drive shaft and everything in there. So big shout out to Sicky. And then also with Jegs, we got their heater core, universal wiring harness, and just a couple of little odds and ends here and there. And it was just incredible to work with the Jegs team here and have the car here and just have it showcased in their booth. And I'm super happy with that. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're not already, and comment down below what you think of the build. And also you can follow us on Instagram at motorhead.co. I'll link it down below. Thanks for all the love and support, and thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.